You know, it is getting cold. Do you know what it would be nice for dinner tonight? Maybe a nice beef stew with lots of vegetables and dumplings and everything. Let's go. Let's go make it. Start by browning the beef. I use shin of beef. Lots of vegetables and nice herbs and spices. The glaze with a little bit of red wine. Then put in the oven. And then you just do something else. Just be patient and leave it in the oven for about 1 hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. At this point, I add the mushrooms. Ooh, I just came back from the garden and I found some fresh thyme. This is going to really give that zababoon. And back in the oven again. This is something that's very British. It is made with beef suet. Is beef fat. So easy to make. Flour, water, pinch of salt. Form the balls. Cover with the sauce. In the oven for about 20-25 minutes. And look at this. Plum, fluffy dumplings. A lovely velvety sauce. Amazing. Worth all the effort.